you'll see he's got a mic there, and put that by the exhaust. So there must be a certain distance needs to be from a certain car. Yeah, so rev that up if it's flat out. And that'll tell him then whether it's passed the decibel test. So we'll have to do something in the back of his car here. So that's where it records the registration number and the decibel reading. And if you over a certain amount of decibels, then you're not allowed to race. What? It's just chatting. While he's chatting, I'll ask you what the decibel reading is supposed to be. So, just let him finish chatting, and the next car called in. That's it. So what's the decibel reading, highest decibel reading supposed to be?
100.
100. So I thought they were lowering it for this season. Is that not right? No. So the highest decibel reading it can be is 100. So I'm sure I read somewhere it was like 72 or something like that. So it's a lot higher than I thought, which is good. So 100's quite high. I think in nightclubs, I think maximum is 90.